Everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I have a couple of projects to share with you. I have made a teapot and a mini album and a tea sampler book to go along with the collection Tea for Two from Country Craft Creations. I received this collection at a retreat, and there was a project it was meant for, and I still have to do that project because it's a fabulous project. But in the meantime, I played around with some of the paper. So I have made this 3D teapot, and what's great about it is inside it will fit this mini album and the tea sampler. So you could give this all as a gift to someone special. So I will have a couple of separate videos to show you all about it. First of all, let's take a look at the teapot and take off the lid because it doesn't like to be on when it's sideways. So it obviously is hexagon shaped. It's about, including the top, about 7 inches tall. This part is about 6 inches tall. The paper is gorgeous. And in the front, I cut some of the elements and added this little section just to decorate the front of it. I did use some My Colors cardstock. This is peacock colored, and this is from one of the papers. So let me take out the mini album and the tea sampler, and I'll do a quick walkthrough. So here's the tea sampler. It opens up, and in the front we've got some sugar, some granulated honey, and lemon packets. And then the tea bags are, as you lift up, it's like a waterfall, but instead of photos, there's tea on here. Now, the good thing about that is once you've taken the tea off, you can reuse this as a little photo album. So let's say you had a tea party with a little girl, you could take pictures and then give this to her as a little favor. Or if you're having a party for a little girl, take pictures of all the kids that go there. So this is a separate tutorial. All of these are 3 separate tutorials. So you can learn how to make this. So there is that. Here's the mini album. Again, it's pretty small because I wanted it to fit in the teapot. It is 4.5 by 5. It's not using any cardstock, so everything is made out of the pattern paper. There's just a little card in there. There are some tea bags. Some of these pages are top-loading pocket pages. I'll show you that in a second. Here's a cut apart. Here's just room that you could put some photos on or journal on. You could journal on white paper and glue it down. This is one of the top-loading pockets, and here is just a little, just a folder that has a tea bag in it. The tea bags, I put, you can still see what the name of the tea is underneath it, but I did put some decoration on it just sort of to hide that. This comes out of the pocket. That comes out of there. That flips up. This is also another, another pocket page, sort of like a matchbook page with another tea bag. This was in another pocket. This was in, not here. So this comes out. Isn't it a beautiful image? And room to journal inside. This was just in this pocket, and it just has another, whoops, this way, another tea bag. And here's a little folder in that pocket. This is a top loading, just a spot, a tuck spot. And here's a bottom tuck spot. There's the back, there's our spine, and there we are. So I will have 3 tutorials to show you how to make all 3 of these projects. They will be listed in the description box, and as well there is a playlist. So I hope you will join along and make some of these projects with us. The paper, by the way, is from Country Craft Creations. It is called Tea for Two. This is the 8 by 8 paper pad. There is also a 12 by 12 paper pad. and they are all available at countrycraftcreations.com. Again, the links will be in the description box. So thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.